Sports fans, welcome back to this or that Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most entertaining and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet. And let's see what go on. Let's see what we're there. Pegasus Hotel, and now I'm not stay here. I not have a reservation. They don't really want me here too tough. You see, but we're there for cover an event. Yeah, the Women's World Cup trophy is here in Jamaica. It's doing a tour. You know, it's one of the few countries that it's stopping at. You know, the regular girls qualify for consecutive World Cup, bro. It's the second World Cup in as many sittings, bro. Big deal. You see me? So we're here to do some content at the event. We're here to talk to some people. See if we can talk to Michael Ricketts, because we have some questions for ask him. See if we can talk to Babsy Granger. We have some questions for ask her. You see me? So we're there, people. Pegasus Hotel. Make us see if it's nice now. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Do the whole of that.
I am her manager. I found her. Yes, you're right.
Too many people don't watch women's football as much as men's in Jamaica and the Caribbean. But I think that what the girls have done, you know, far outweighs any success of any other team, you know, in Jamaica and certainly the Caribbean. So we need to recognize that. I think they have a great opportunity to change that culture, and we see it changing. You know, more and more people are watching them. We see what the under-20 girls are doing right now in Nicaragua, which is amazing, you know. And they deserve to be treated with the utmost respect and, you know, the utmost care, like any other team, any other professional team, because they're really doing us proud.
Yeah, man. When I got into office, there was no. In fact, the women's side of the program was suspended. And we reconnected with Sidela. We overhauled the entire program, and we got things rolling in a few years, in 2 years to be exact. We were able to qualify in 2019. There was, of course, we were virtually strangled by the pandemic, so not too much happened thereafter. But then again, in 2023, we are back in the World Cup.
One thing we know, we're going to show up and we're going to play hard and give it our best.
All right, Coach, we have one of the best strikers in the world, and I'm talking about football across the board, Khadija Bonishaw. What does she mean to this team and her importance, her impact on the girls? You know, whether it be more experienced or less experienced than herself?
Well, I mean, she's a global person right now and she's doing well. Hopefully she can keep her form going into the World Cup, you know, because a lot of stuff we do, you know, is going to go through Bonnie, you know. So, but obviously injury is also a big part of the game, and hopefully we're healthy. But again, she's one of the top global female player right now. She's the all-time leading scorer, men or women in Jamaica. I don't think a lot of people know that. So hopefully again now, the country can embrace the team and embrace good players like Bonnie Shaw and the rest of the players, and we can move along.
If you're the West, you can still. If you're the Westmoreland, Westmoreland may come from. 1 hour I take from stop to go at Mobile.
Yeah.
You see me say, you can take a house and go see trophy and thing and get the photos.
Yeah, man.
That's something where you can look back down the years, show your pick them and say, yo, watch out. Jamaica are the first team to make it to back-to-back World Cup. And we did get a picture with the trophy. You can show your son them things, isn't it? Yeah. And your daughter too.
And the thing is, you know, it's important. I'm going to say it all day. From the reach, I say it. it's important that the girls did this. Obviously, other trophies come to Jamaica already, but they came to Jamaica because the girls qualified for the World Cup in 2 consecutive sittings. Again, I said that is why they're here. They may just come because we had a World Cup.
Yo, people don't understand how major it is to girls and go back to World Cups. Because even this, they're not gonna talk about it, but this whole Adidas thing and whatever. Yes, the World Cup being in the US in 2026, Adidas don't see that as an opportunity and say, yo, if we sponsor Jamaica, even who aren't Jamaicans and don't know about Jamaican football, they're gonna buy the jerseys. That is true. But me almost certain say reggae girls going to consistent World Cups play that part in it because Adidas will look and say, alright, even if reggae boys not go World Cup, we're guaranteed based on what we are saying. So our jerseys are going to want World Cup every year based on how reggae girls playing consistently.
I understand that. I don't know. We have to put some food in our gut same way, isn't it? With that work, so kind of take long. So the food kind of done power, but you don't know. We have to put something in our stomach. So I eat some. It's a zero protein, but we are eating same way. They're good.
I'm a camel.
Bro, what do you think about the event?
It was a good event, but personally, people, I thought it should have been an open event so everyone can just walk in. And the space wasn't big enough for that to happen. Apart from that, it was a good vibe, good energy. Happy to see everyone coming out. But I thought it should have been open to the public.
Yeah, what I like about it is really just what it means. You know, we see the World Cup trophy come already for the men. We see different teams come here and whatever, and men's football side. I think it's important that this was an event for the girls. The reggae girls brought this to Jamaica. They qualified for the World Cup twice, and that's a big feat. So I give them some props. So I'm excited for the occasion more than the event. If you get what I say, because the event was really blank, but the occasion is great. So we're there, people. I eat some food and then check in back. You see. Alright people, that's it. Nice little event. I feel like could have been a little bit more you know why it's not the event for entertainment. I feel like seeing that trophy, you know, it looked really good. Hopefully the reggae girls can put their hands on it. But again, you know, throughout all of the content that was produced today, you know, I said this thing and I'm going to say it again. The occasion, it was bigger than the event. You know, the reggae girls qualified for back-to-back World Cups, man. That's a big deal. The trophy actually coming here because of that purpose. Because of that reason. I have to give the reggae girls some props. So big up on yourself, reggae girls. JFF, much congrats on getting, you know, this started out and, you know, having us here at Pegasus Hotel, having the trophy here and the officials from Fifa and Australia Commission and all of that. Big up on yourself, you see me? So that's it. This is that Sports TV, leaving the Pegasus Hotel. Bro, I'm gonna see if we can get a room. Cause in the feel cool, you know, I'm see if we can get a room. Soon come. Oh, I forget something. Don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to this side at Sports TV. One more thing for us, and that's to share the video to at least 10 persons. Because if we can get 6 subscribers, know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day, I will leave. So out.